today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, you heard me right. This is a big emergency for Bitcoin right now. If you're opening the charts, you probably know what I'm talking about. Today, I want to talk with you. If all those people who said 10, 12,000 US dollars, even below 10,000 US dollars is going to happen for Bitcoin, are going to prove in right very soon or not. Let's talk about it. I want to go here straight into the charts and actually discuss with you what exactly is going on here. On the 4-hourly candles, on the daily, you can see we see some crazy movements, and Bitcoin was hitting another temporary low of 15,800, just $200 higher than the 4 years low we already had here just a few days ago. Now let's talk about it. Let's go straight into the charts. And dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in once again in this not live, but recorded, very emergency video. I'm gonna upload it immediately after the recording. Thanks for always liking, for subscribing, for commenting, for all engagement you are giving me here. This really helps to spread this out into the world. I am here right now flying to one of my favorite countries in the world. For everyone who is in aviation, you already know where I'm flying to. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna show you something on my Instagram at Mmcrypto, especially about the food. But now let's focus on the more important things here. About Bitcoin. Actually, food is more important, but whatever. Let's talk about Bitcoin. You can see here that on the 4-hourly candles, Bitcoin is floating in between support and resistance and just had a big breakdown. And of course, this looks like, hey, maybe something is going to happen. But at the moment, this is far from being confirmed. We are actually seeing a few $100 bounce right now. What I want to tell you is Bitcoin needs to hold not the 15,700, no, we need to hold the previous low. Because if we are zooming out, you can see that Bitcoin is waterfalling down here, right? Actually, since ages. The last waterfall was just in, let me actually go into it here, in November. And that was like, I don't know, 1 week, 2 weeks ago, the last waterfall. So now the question is this here just some consolidation before the next waterfall is appearing? Well, time will tell. We will know though after we get a 4-hourly confirmation break outside of our pattern, and especially if we are going to break below our previous low from this whole last cycle, which just happened a few days ago after the big FTX meltdown. Well, the breakdown target of this specific waterfall would be 14,600, 40,700 US dollars respectively for Bitcoin. In fact, dear ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly go back here into the face mode. Just open up the newspapers, open up Google. People are in panic mode, and that is mainly because of the mainstream media. Yahoo Finance, Forbes, like all different New York Times, whatever you call it, they are all having bearish news for Bitcoin. How comes that the news are always only bearish and all at the same time? Do not get fooled, dear ladies and gentlemen. And yes, if there is more downside, which of course we never know, the downside is very, very limited. And I want to show you something to just bring you in some perspective. Everyone thinks like, oh, we can break to 12,000. Who cares about these another like 10% down? Do you really want to be standing on the sidelines for the rest of your life just because you wait for another 10% after Bitcoin already retraced? Let me show you. After Bitcoin already retraced 77%. Dear ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly go back. Don't get fooled. I myself holding Bitcoin and nothing has changed about that. I'm gonna keep holding. Let me know your strategy down below. You know the price targets, you know the different scenarios. But in the end of the day, if you just zoom out, for me personally, this is a huge buying zone for Bitcoin long term. Of course, also do not forget to follow me over on Twitter. I'm posting every day. I'm posting charts, I'm posting phrases, I'm posting opinions, like all different things on a daily basis. And I'm one of the fastest growing crypto account in the world actually right now, growing 60, 70, 80,000 followers per month. That's because of you. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And as always, guys, bye.